Italian Stuffed Cornish Game Hen Recipe. Ingredients: stuffing, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup water, 2 tablespoons cranberries, 2 teaspoons oregano, 2 teaspoons basil, 2 teaspoons thyme. Game hens: 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon rosemary. Instructions: combine with oil and rub on game hens after the hens are stuffed. Prepare the stuffing over medium heat until well blended and warm. Stuff 2 prepared Cornish game hens with the stuffing. Bake the hens at 350 for 60 minutes until they are white and warm at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. To keep in the moisture, I recommend placing them in a shallow baking dish and covering with foil for half of the cooking time.